Do not do this if you want to make money on Fiverr. Okay, so to explain what I'm talking about, I'm gonna tell you a little story. Months back, I needed to place a bunch of different orders on Fiverr, specifically orders with freelancers who were also viewers of this YouTube channel. I was basically doing a bunch of projects, mostly graphic design related, where I was having Fiverr sellers create different assets that I'd be using or posting through my various social media accounts. The people that I selected to do these orders were notified via Twitter. Then on Fiverr, I messaged them and let them know to send me a custom offer so that I could order their services and get on with the project. All good. Custom offer requests started hitting my Fiverr inbox. I started accepting those offers and started filling out the requirements gathering questions. Everything was going smoothly. Until this happened. One of the Fiverr sellers that I requested a custom order from didn't send me an offer. Instead, after I had explained to him in Fiverr chat the type of project I needed help with, he messaged me a couple days later on Twitter and included a finished delivery in the Twitter message. Do you see the problem here? When you deliver a completed project off of the Fiverr platform, when you found this buyer, you were negotiating the order on Fiverr, even before you've received an accepted offer and the project has kicked off on Fiverr, you are putting yourself at risk as a seller. At risk of getting ripped off by your buyers. Because since this person delivered the completed work to me through Twitter, technically, if I was not the nice person that I am, the buyer has no real reason to pay the person. The order's been delivered. They didn't accept anything on Fiverr. They're not on the hook for anything. This is not good if you're a Fiverr seller. So when I saw this happening, I made a note to myself that I would need to make a YouTube video to give you all a hugely important piece of advice related to this. Always, 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 always make sure your clients have placed an order with you on Fiverr before you do or deliver any work. And you should also be delivering those projects to them on Fiverr through the order management page. Because in these types of situations, that's really the only way that you as a freelancer can guarantee you'll get paid. You're essentially protecting yourself by operating in this way. And I really recommend that you take this to heart. Also, totally forgot to mention that Fiverr, the big platform that gives us potential clients an opportunity and puts food and money on our tables, they really hate when buyers and projects are taken off the Fiverr platform, regardless of whether it's the seller taking it off the platform or the buyer. So just keep that in mind. That's a little bit of an incentive to keep things kosher, keep things going through Fiverr so that you're not jeopardizing your account, jeopardizing in the sense where Fiverr might suspend it if they deem that you're doing some shady stuff. So what do you think? Was this helpful? Is this going to help you stop situations where you're dealing projects off the Fiverr platform when the business was won on Fiverr? Because honestly, when I think about this, it just sounds, it gives me anxiety because when you're delivering projects like this via email or through Twitter and you don't have systems in place as a business, you don't have payment processing, Fiverr holds funds from the buyer in escrow until the project's completed to guarantee that there are funds to pay for the work. You're really eliminating the chance of, some unsavory buyer taking advantage of you by operating in the way that I'm telling you. Keep things on Fiverr. Communicate with your buyers on Fiverr. Get the project on Fiverr. Complete the order on Fiverr. If you're getting business through Fiverr, keep that whole process on Fiverr. Trust me, I know there's a lot of you trying to negate or save or get around the 20% fee as a seller. In my opinion, it's not worth it. So if you're trying to build a business on Fiverr, play by the rules, protect yourself, and good luck selling. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful. Until next time, cheers.